Alright guys, today we're going to do a review on the OneLeaf.Ai Commander NV100 night vision scope. They sent us this in the mail to give them an honest review, so we'll open her up here and see what we got. Packaging is really nice. Here's the instruction manual. Comes with a lens wipe to clean your lens and a 2-year warranty. See, there's the scope itself. There's the scope rings to attach it to your scope. It's got different sizes for different size scopes. I've got the 45 on there. It fits good on mine. Also comes with a roll of tape to where you can put a piece of tape around your scope so it won't scratch it. Comes with tools to tighten everything up and extra O-rings, charging cord, and a cover. So we're going to get this installed on the Ruger Mark II 223 and get ready to shoot it. Alright, so install looks pretty easy on this. Comes with a 45mm ring, a 48, and I think a 42. And I'm going to put the 45 on my scope. Takes little Allen keys. It's installed. This is what it looks like on the gun itself. Looks really nice on it. And that's the target we're shooting at. About 100 yards away. Took a shot at it already. We're dialed in, ready to go. Just waiting for the sun to set to try the infrared for you guys. Here's the manual. It's got the table of contents. Everything you'll need to know about the scope. It's got infrared light control, screen zoom, playback, digital zoom. It's got a place for your SD card, and it's got objective focus. It's just like a binocular. You just screw it in, screw it out, clear up your vision. It's got daytime and nighttime mode, which is really cool. And for the price of this thing, so far it's really nice. Tonight, after we get done shooting at the target, I'm going to take this off my scope because it's a spotting scope too. You can use this as a spotting scope as well. We're going to see if we can see some deer at nighttime with it, or some other animal. We got animals running all over the place here, so I'm sure we could get some cool footage of something. Alright guys, it's dark now. We're going to test out the night vision scope. So far this thing has been pretty awesome. So we'll see what she does at nighttime. You can see the IR in my night vision on my camera, which is pretty cool. So you can't see it at the naked eye, but so far this gun's pretty good. Or the scope's pretty good. Alright, so we're in night vision mode right now. That little black right there is my aluminum foil target. Messing with the IR to zoom in. And once I take a few shots in the dark, we will go see if we can find some deer to look at. I'm gonna stick down on the tape like to get a better rest so you're not moving like crazy. Shoot a couple more times. and then we'll go see how we did. Okay. I'm gonna zoom in with my scope here. That's my target. See if we can hit it. That's another hit. And last one. This thing is pretty sweet. We're gonna go check and see how we did on the target. That's not bad for not having a good rest at 100 yards away at night. That little scope is actually, the little attachment for my scope, the night vision, is actually really nice. And we're gonna go try to see if we can find some deer in the field. I'm gonna take it off my gun because it's illegal to have deer in your scope at night. So we're gonna go check it out and see if we can find some deer to look at. And on the deer, focus in. It's really clear for night vision, for cheap night vision. I'm highly impressed with this. Highly impressed. There's a few deer right there. That's pretty neat. There's a rabbit in the yard. Very clear picture. You can almost count every hair on the little guy. That's insane. Alright, so I'm back home now with the OneLeaf.Ai night vision. My overall review is it's pretty good for the price. The price right now, they're selling for $254.15. That's, for what you get, that's a really good price. Now, mind you, daytime it shoots 1080p, and I think nighttime shoots also 1080p. But for what it is, the 1080p is good. It's real heavy. Feels really good in the hand. Feels really good on a gun. Mounts really good. Easy to use. The picture quality is really nice. You'll see in the video, of course, I've seen those deer and the rabbit, and you could see them plain as day. Now, a little further out, like that buck, he was probably 250 yards. It was grainy, but there was also brush in the way, and I think the infrared light was hitting off the brush. If it would have been clear, I could have got a lot clearer picture of him. But no, for the price range and for what it is, it's perfect. Like beginner coyote hunters, it would be great for them. Coon hunters, slap it on a 22, be ready to go. But yeah, that's my review on the OneLeaf.Ai night vision. It's really good.